Happy quarantine, everybody. Another instructional video to show you how you can use the app Doceri to make smartboard or whiteboard-like videos to send home to your students. So you can use this using a stylus or your finger. And when I open up the app, I'm going to choose from my iPad alone. Now it comes to this screen, and as you continue to make Doceries, all of your projects are going to show up on this screen right here. I'm going to go to the bottom left corner and hit this plus button. And I'm going to go to iPad default. You can choose any size you want. Now, up at the top left corner, you're going to see a button called record. If I press this button here, I'm gonna record both my voice and what I'm drawing on the screen. Now, if it's the first time you're doing this, you're gonna want to allow Doceri to access your microphone so that way you can record these videos. So I'm gonna hit start recording. And now it's recording my voice. So a very important lesson we all need to learn is 1 + 1, in fact, equals 2. Not window, not 3, none of that stuff. So that's what I want my students to learn. So to stop this, I'm going to hit the record button up in the top left, and I'm going to hit stop recording. And it's going to pop up with this image that shows I just recorded this video on this date, and it lasted for 21 seconds. So if I want to play this video, and now it's recording my voice. So a very important lesson we all need to learn is 1 + 1, in fact, equals 2, not window. So I can send this video up in the top corner here. I can hit this box and I can either save the video or I can airdrop it. I can upload it to my Google Classroom. I can send it to iMovie if I want to make any edits. And if you save the video, it allows you, then you can take that video and you can upload it to your personal YouTube page if that's the route you're going. There's another way you can also upload it to YouTube, and that is this YouTube button right here. If I hold my finger down and then drag this over to the YouTube, well, then it opens up my YouTube account, which I don't have signed up right now. And I can upload this video directly to my YouTube channel. So I know I'm going to be using this especially for math, so students can see my work and I can model that work, but it really could be used for any subject. So hopefully you find that helpful.